Okay, today on Chris Does What, we're going to change my son's going to help me change the brakes on his Jeep. And to do this, these are the front disc brakes. We already did the back ones. Didn't do a video on that. They're drum, they suck, but I didn't do a video. These are front disc, and we're just going to change the pads. We're not milling the disc or anything like that. So, y'all stay tuned. Let's get into this intro. So when you want to change your brakes, you'll need a jack. I'm going to use this jack. I did use this to rotate the tires on BB, Mom's big ass truck. And I have a socket set here and a C-clamp. The C-clamp is to compress the hydraulic lever on the disc brakes. Okay. Like usual, don't jack up the tire too high. You don't need to lift it 300 foot off the ground. Just needs to be where it can spin freely. Oh, cool, babe. There we go.
You've been using that tool a lot, babe.
What, sweetie?
You've been using that tool a lot.
I have. It's not a bad tool. Go. One tire. That is a 10 millimeter metric. Thank you, Brandon. Cheap brakes. See link down below, you can get that, and also this jack tool if you want it. Of course, off Amazon. There we go. Oh. Actually, Brandon, these pads look really good.
Yeah?
Yeah. So, if I was going to change the brakes, which I'm not, these pads, I would depress this to put the new pads in, and then pop them back in. But it doesn't look like we need brakes. Did you get this greaser up here, Brian?
Yeah. Wait, what did you say?
Did you grease this greaser right here?
Where?
One up here?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Wait, which one?
This one right here.
Oh yeah, I got that one.
Okay, good. Okay, we need a tire, Brian.
Oh, you don't need a tire.
Okay, no tires needed.
Oh, let's replace it with your tire. get better gas mileage.
Not really. Put them in storage. I guess you save them for later. Brian, we're going to get you smaller tires.
Aw. What tires you want it? Help with off-roading?
Baby tires.
Ah. Like Nolan's tires?
Yeah, like Noah's tires.
Those are regular street tires. Can't
Car
have that.
tires, yes.
That one don't look right.
They look perfect.
It'll look weird.
Okay. This. We're going to try to see if it needs more torque. How neat. Huh. Well, this tool is worthless for this car.
Well, none of it fits.
Yes, it doesn't fit. Four-way. Oh, yeah, this is good. Oh. Oh. Okay, yeah, you're not getting them off. Okay, so we didn't change the brakes, but we checked them. And brake dust, a lot of fun. Brakes are good. He can drive around this for a bit, and probably got another year or two life, depending on how hard he is on his brakes. Of course, you can see below for a link to this jack, or if you do need brakes for a YJ Jeep, I'll leave a link down below for the brake pads as well. If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. And yes, it's almost January and I'm sweating. If you're looking for great eats, good food, check out dininginwithdanielle.com. Maybe the man I am today. So, y'all please take care.
You ruined my mirrors.
You were gonna start thinking of